Good afternoon, everyone. I know I told you that I would not be here today, so I wanted to kind of show you a video of everything you can do in this lesson and check your answers. So we already kind of did slide 9 together yesterday. Again, tell me what you notice before you watch each video. Click submit. You can watch the next part of the video, click play, watch what happens. Then tell me, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Let me know. Click submit. Watch the next video, and the last one, tell me, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Okay, so make sure you click submit and watch each video on that slide. In slide 10, again, you can rewatch the video and ask yourself, after they're mixed, how would they taste? And you should see, and here's a diagram down here, that the second glass would taste more chocolatey than the first. Click submit and tell me in your own words, how does this diagram help show that? You can talk about the ratio of chocolate to milk is greater in the second one than the first. For your next one, as we should see, now you have to rate these from more chocolatey to less chocolatey. So the most chocolatey would be the second glass because it's a 1-to-1 ratio or an 8-to-8 ratio. Then it would be Steve's recipe because that is a 1-to-2 ratio. And then the last one would be a 1-to-4 ratio. Should it be second glass, Steve's recipe, then the first glass. Once you hit submit, just again explain how you got your answer. So the next one, when you think about how chocolatey the milk is, you only have to think about the amount of chocolate. That is false. Explain your thinking. Again, even though you have a lot of chocolate, if you add a lot of milk, it's going to be different than a lot of chocolate versus just a little bit of milk. So make sure you explain your thinking there. Here are some diagrams representing 3 mixtures of powdered drink and water. So how would mixture A compare to mixture B? Well, I'm going to compare cups of water to drink mix. So this would be a 1-to-4 ratio, 1-to-4 ratio, and a 2-to-8 ratio, comparing water to drink mix. So as I would see, all of these A and B are the same. So they are the same because they both have a ratio of 1-to-4 water to drink mix. Again, or you can rewrite it in your own words. Once you hit submit, you need to use the diagram here. Again, mixture A uses 1 cup of water and 4 teaspoons of drink mix. So the ratio of water to drink mix is 1-to-4. And you would just do the same thing for B and then submit. Again, you can use this to help you. For slide 14, again, this is 1-to-4, 1-to-4, 2-to-8. But remember, 2-to-8 is also, if you split it down the middle, the same as 1-to-4. So 2 students are talking about this problem. Clara says mix B and C are going to taste the same. Jose says, no way, mix C has twice as much water. They are going to taste the same, even though this has more. It has more water and more mix, so they will taste the same. So you should agree with Clara. Again, submit. Again, for mixture B, for every 1 cup of water, there are 4 teaspoons of mix. And same thing for C. For every 1 cup of water, as we split it, there are 4, which again will help us prove it confirms our answer. And again, we just talked about 1-to-4 is equivalent to 2-to-8. Make sure you hit submit each time. Never go past without clicking submit. All right, so slide 15. All you have to do is create a 5-to-2 ratio and draw a diagram. So it could be as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. So once you hit submit, again, it would ask you to how many batches would you make with 15 cups and 6. So that should be 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6. Should be 3 batches, which takes us to our next question and our last question. Again, if this is 1 batch, then 2 batches would be 10, 3 would be 15, and the last one would be 20. 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Submit and explain your reasoning with your next table. Bye, guys.